Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will discuss about best commercial truck insurance of 2023. Best commercial truck insurance of 2023. Whether you own a commercial trucking fleet or drive for yourself as a private contractor, a commercial truck insurance policy is a must. The best commercial truck insurance companies offer coverage that meets state liability requirements for a range of vehicles. The owner and drivers. These insurers also offer discounts to have on premiums plus assistance fitting filling state and federal paperwork and provide responsive customer service. We researched and reviewed the best commercial truck insurance companies to sign up for, taking into account coverage, ties, holistic customization options, and more. Best overall commercial truck insurance, Progressive. Yeah. And then I will tell you, Progressive is one of the largest insurers of commercial trucking in US. The US offering coverage for a range of vehicles and businesses, from tractor rigs and flatbeds to pickups and dump trucks. The insurer also offers specialized optional coverage such as gargares, mm, gargares, and other many more. Progressive is one of the largest insurers vehicle and business. Additionally, Progressive says it will file any and required the state and federal proof of insurance certificates on behalf of policyholders free to of charge. Progressive also boost that is the only insurer with fully in-house team of claims adjusters. All of these factors are why we named Progressive the best commercial truck insurer overall. There are some potential drawbacks with Progressive, however. The company doesn't offer primary liability insurance in Alaska, Hawaii, Louisiana, and New York. The owner operator, the super regional truckers who cover a radius of more than 500 miles. And although the Progressive website offers much more detail about its policy of offering than many competitors, competitors, and many more. Mm, Progressive also boasts that is the why the insurer with a fully in-house team of claims adjusters. There are some potential drawbacks with Progressive, however, the company doesn't However, the company doesn't offer primary liability insurance in asal coverage types. Specs coverage type liability, bodily injury, property damage, uninsured medical payments, collision, comprehensive, motor truck cargo discounts भी available हैं. Best for single vehicle and fleets entry. Unlike some companies, Sentry only offers commercial insurance and it specializes in trucking coverage. The company says it works with agents nationwide, and trucking adjusters work with a representative, but people who prefer an online approach may find that the Sentry website isn't as detailed. Specs, coverage types, and discounts. Motor carriers insurance, rented vehicle due to theft, physical damage insurance, collision, comprehensive named perils, motor truck, cargo insurance, and Cover Vault is the also truck insurance company. Cover Vault isn't an insurance company; it's a digital insurance brokerage into the. So take care and goodbye.